So now back in our registration screen, let's first see what we can do here. Here, when we click, remember we are going to our OTP screen. Let's remove this. What we need to do is to add our method now to sign in the user. So for that, let's go down here and let's create our method, send phone number, like that. And then let's first of all call our final authentication, or we say auth repo for shortcut. Let's do provider. We need to import the provider package of authentication provider, and then we don't want to listen to the changes, so we say false. So here first we need to get the string of the phone number, which will come from the phone controller dot text dot trim, and then let's create another string for the full phone number together with our country code, like that. So here it will be a string. We'll add the plus sign in front and then the $, curly brackets, and then we'll say selected country dot phone code. Then after this one, we'll put another $, and then we'll get our phone number, this one, and then this will be it. So to see these, let's print them out here. So let's say print. First we'll say phone number, which will be our phone number. We can copy this, paste it here. Let's put this as a full phone number. Let's say full phone number. Then this method, let's call it here, send phone number. We just want to see what we will print here. So let's start the application. Okay, the application has started. We are coming to our user information screen, so we need to come to our registration screen. Let's go back to our main screen. Now we need to change things here. So for that, let's first come back to our constants. Let's copy this and then paste it like 3 more times. First, let's say registration screen, registration screen. This will be our home screen. This will be our user information screen. So let's copy our registration screen. Here let's put a slash and paste it. Copy our registration screen, paste it there. Let's copy our home screen, put a slash and paste it there. copy our user information screen, put a slash and paste it there. Okay, we can now close the constants, and then here instead of saying home we can say initial route. Then here we can call our constants dot registration screen, and then now down here we can create our routes, which will be our first route will be our constant dot registration screen. This we write context, and then we return our constants of registration screen like that. Let's copy this, then paste it 2 more times. Let's also have our home screen, which returns a home screen, our user information screen, which returns our user information screen. And then one other thing is here you have created the new provider, the authentication provider. So when we come back to our main.dat, we need to copy this again. Let's put a comma and paste it down here. Then here let's change this to our authentication provider like that. So let's stop the application and run it again. Okay, the application is running. Okay, so now let's test this user information screen. Where is that? The registration screen. So let's put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are, since the maximum we said it's 9, but now we can enhance this. We can put the check mark here once the user has put the correct figures here. So let's now click login. Okay, so we have our phone number and our full phone number. But now let's improve this. Let's put the check mark here once the user has clicked. So for that we can come back to we can do that quickly before we finish this video. We can come back to where is our text form field. Text form field, this one here. On the onChanged method, where is that? Here. On changed method, it takes a value. So this on change method, we can set the state to check. We can set the state to the phone number, the phone controller dot text will be equal to our value like that. And then also let's add the suffix, the suffix after the prefix icon. We can add the suffix icon. So for that one, let's come back here. Let's say suffix icon. So now here, since the on changed here, every time we change, we are putting the new value equals to our controller. So here on the suffix icon, where is that? Here on the suffix icon, what we're going to do is we're going to check our phone controller dot text dot length. If this length is greater than 9, we know that this is 10 digits. If we reach here, it is 9, and then if we reach the last figure, it's 10. So which means if it's greater than 9, we need to show something here. So for that, if it is greater than 9, we are going to show a container. If it is not greater than 9, we're not going to show anything. We can just return now. So inside this container, we're going to give it a height of let's say maybe 20, and then let's also give it a width of about 20, and then let's give it some margin, which constant of edge insets, and odd direction, let's give it a 10. Then next, let's give it some decoration. We have a constant of box decoration. Let's give this a shape, box shape dot circular, and then let's give it some color. This should be our green color, like that. And then here, let's now give this container a child. This child will be just an icon, which comes from icons dot let's say done. This icon. What else? We can give it a size of 20, and then what else we can give this? Color. Let's give it a color. Colors dot white. Okay, so let's move we need to remove a constants modifier. Or what's the problem here? Let's see. This is supposed to be a child. Yes. So now let's hot restart. Okay. Already we've got that. So when we delete, it's gone. When we come back here, it's gone. When we put the figures, let's just start it again. Okay, our application has started. Let's click here, and then let's start writing. Okay, you can see as now it's we've got weird behavior here. We have to come back here and click another number, come back here and click another number. So to fix that, we need to come back here on top here. We need to fix that. So it's quite just a normal fix. Let's say phone controller dot selection. Here we are going to equal this to text selection. Let's text selection dot from position, and then here we will call our text position. We will offset, and then here we'll say phone controller dot text dot length, just like that. So let's format this. We just put this code here, and then let's hot restart. Okay, so now let's delete. We can type it now: 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now once we type here, we're going to see a check mark, which is what we want to do. So in the next video now, we are going to, instead of printing, we are going to run our sign in with phone method here. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.